Is Tesla insurance suitable for rideshare driving? If you are a Tesla owner considering rideshare driving, you might be wondering if Tesla insurance is the right choice for you. Let's break down the details to help you make an informed decision. Tesla insurance offers a variety of coverage options specifically designed for Tesla vehicles. This includes collision, comprehensive, liability, and medical coverages. You can also customize your limits and deductibles, which is a nice feature for personal use. However, rideshare driving introduces a different set of insurance needs. When you drive for rideshare companies like Uber or Lyft, you are using your vehicle for commercial purposes. This means you need coverage that goes beyond what a typical personal auto insurance policy provides. Tesla insurance, while robust for personal use, may not cover incidents that happen while you are driving for rideshare services unless you have specific rideshare endorsements or commercial policies. Most rideshare companies do provide some level of commercial insurance during different phases of a ride. For example, they cover you when you are waiting for a ride request, on your way to pick up a passenger, and while the passenger is in the car. However, these commercial policies often come with high deductibles and may have coverage gaps. To fill these gaps, many insurers offer rideshare endorsements or specialized rideshare insurance policies. These options can extend your personal coverage to include rideshare activities, helping to cover any deductibles or liabilities that the rideshare company's insurance might not fully address. Currently, Tesla insurance focuses primarily on personal coverage and does not specifically advertise rideshare endorsements or commercial coverage options. This means that if you are planning to drive for rideshare services, relying solely on Tesla insurance may not provide adequate protection during all phases of your rideshare activities. It is essential for drivers using a Tesla for ridesharing to check if Tesla insurance can be supplemented with a rideshare endorsement. Alternatively, you may need to purchase a separate rideshare insurance policy from another provider to ensure you have full coverage. In summary, while Tesla insurance provides solid coverage for personal use, it is generally not enough for rideshare driving due to the unique insurance requirements involved in commercial passenger transport. Rideshare drivers should actively seek additional rideshare-specific insurance coverage to protect themselves fully when driving for platforms like Uber or Lyft. This approach helps to avoid any potential coverage gaps and minimizes out-of-pocket costs related to rideshare incidents.